Another day, another gala na naman tayo. Samahan niyo kami as we go on to new adventures. This time, dito muna tayo sa South and we will be going to popular beaches out here. And first on our list would be Isla Chica sa Padre Burgos, Quezon. It's around 2 hours from our place here in Cavinti, Laguna.
So before going there, pumunta kami dito sa Remionas na restaurant. Along the way lang, since lunchtime na rin. And I think it's gutom na rin sila. So we decided to eat here first before going to the venue.
Umuwi na tayo.
Ang order mo, chicken wings,
Pancit, saka ginagawa ma'am.
pinagawang
Ayan. Kain.
And tapos na kami kumain dito sa Remionas. And I would say na sobrang sarap ng pagkain dito. We ordered crispy bagoongan, pansit, chicken wings, of course, drinks. At sobrang malasa yung pagkain. And if you happen to pass by dito sa area na to, just look at dito sa Remionas. It's a good choice, masarap. Let's go!
After nga namin kumain, we hit the road again going to Isla Chica. From here, around 1 hour pa ang biyahe namin. It's completely new for us to travel this far going south. May mga area nga dito na talagang napatigil kami kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng lugar. We're very close and everyone is excited. Ramdam ko na talaga na malayo kami sa kabihasnan. Lalo na nung natanong namin yung beach, iba rin ang simoy ng hangin sa part na ito at syempre, malapit na tayo sa dagat. And finally, we're here! Isla Chica, here we come! A bit of a rough road going inside the resort and winelcome pa nga kami ng McDonald's when we entered and just wondering paano napunta dito. Anyway, park muna kami then mag-register and we decided to stay 2 nights here para naman masulit ang pagpunta dito, di ba? Then offload na nga kami ng mga gamit. To be honest, at this point, medyo hindi pa kompleto ang gamit namin for camping. Pero I think we have the essentials para makasurvive. And itong location naman na ito, hindi talaga ganun ka-remote. May source ng electricity, may paid wifi. So there's nothing too extreme during this camp. At may pushcart pa din sila na provided kaya hindi kami nahirapan na magdala ng gamit from the parking going to our chosen location. Eto at naiwan na nga ako. Kaya eto na, let the vacation begin. Sa mga expert campers dyan, forgive us as it is just our second time pa lang and we're trying our best. Pero alam nyo ba, while setting up camp, I find it therapeutic and relaxing. Actually, it's a great activity to escape from a busy corporate and just breathe. Aside from setting this up, I think this kind of activities, outdoor activities, are a great way to reconnect and bond with your family, barkada, and relatives. Our camp for the next 3 days. During the night, we turned on the lights and started up setting my workstation kasi tuloy pa rin ang trabaho. And I thank God kasi my work allows me to work almost anywhere I want as long as my internet connection and enough battery. Goods na ako doon. Madami nga kaming bata na kasama during this trip kaya sinamahan ko ang mga kiddos for an activity during the night for a crab hunting. Tulog na nga ang lahat, kaya naglinis muna ako ng unti while everyone is sleeping. And sakto, tapos na rin ang trabaho ko during this time. It was a long day, it was a tiring day, kaya tulog muna tayo.
So, nandito tayo sa Isla Chica and it's morning. Medyo naging challenging yung experience namin kagabi kasi medyo umulan and malakas ang hangin. So knowing na nasa tabing dagat tayo, expected na yon, pero we tried to prepare for it. Even ako, pero iba din talaga if you will be able to experience it in actual. I think there would be some adjustment in our next camping, but I think it's a good experience for us to have this kind of experience sa tabi ng dagat. So ang masasabi ko lang sa Isla Chica, I mean, it's a good spot for camping, yes, pero it's not like that you are isolated talaga like the other campsite na walang electricity and all that stuff. Dito meron naman, but the thing is, hindi lahat ng part ng shoreline dito pwedeng pagswimmingan kasi may mga dikya daw, and merong part lang na naka-enclosed with net para doon makapag-swimming, so safe doon. Medyo kaunti yung campers natin for Fridays, pero expected na it's Saturday ngayon na medyo magkakarami rin ng campers for today. Ganda naman picture ka. 1, 2, 3.
Since nasa ibang lugar na rin naman, why not explore other areas during the morning? It's a good exercise na rin and a good way to see what else the island can offer. Binaybay nga namin ang shoreline kasi meron daw dito ng mga mangingisda na nagbebenta ng fresh food, fresh seafoods tuwing umaga. So ito na nga kami at kapalayo kami. Around 5 kilometers siguro ang nilakad namin ni Kuya Tots para makita lang to.
Ay, galit talaga.
And ayun nga, napabili na nga kami at sulit naman ang lakad dahil fresh talaga yung mga isda na nabili namin. Then we headed back to camp and spent the rest of the day enjoying the food and the view. Weekend well spent. Hanggang sa susunod na gala natin. Ingat!